For today's nail art, we are going to do a spider gel design. My nails are polished statement from Sinful colors, and I'm going to add a layer of liquid latex around the cuticle area. Using Maniology's stamping plate Special Effects XL455, I'm going to stamp on some dry brushing, and the color I'm using is Rose Copper from Hansen's Color Foil collection. I want a little more of that dry brushing up in that corner, so I'm going to go ahead and stamp that again. Now I'll stamp that dry brushing on the lower corner of my nail. Using Moyra Stamping Plate 87, I'm going to stamp a spider gel image onto my nail. Over the spider gel, I'm going to add a few small dots using black polish and a dotting tool. I'm going to finish with a matte top coat. And here's our completed design. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more nail art ideas.